Did you know there are animals that don't sleep? Ever? We usually think sleep is essential for all life, but some creatures seem to skip it completely. Take jellyfish, for example. They don't have a brain, and scientists still aren't sure if they sleep at all. Then there are certain fish and reptiles that rest with half their brain active, keeping one eye open for predators. And some animals, like bullfrogs, show no clear signs of sleep, even when resting. They may go into low energy states, but true sleep, that's still debatable for some species. So yeah, for some animals, sleep isn't required. Now you know.